Hey, what y'all know about fucking... This for you, Chance? Yeah, can I just get a large Diet Dr. Pepper, please?
Alright, first one, thank you.
Thank you. Calling this BJ boy.
What up, bitch ass nigga boy?
Yo, I'm...
Yeah, bro. Hold on, I'm about to take a nap in the bathroom and then I'm off and then I'll call you in like 10 minutes.
You're gonna take it.
So why I let it feeling, brand new rollers here. Catch me in the trap, we rockin' bridges like I'm about to build it. I'm gon' hit the top, I don't wanna fuck, girl, I just want your ceiling. You don't believe me? Go ahead, ask those mama, I'm a pro at spinning. Say she leaving, I don't give a fuck, long as my J keep spinning. Niggas dissing, I'ma try that bag and have my killers in them. Cost a step, Vinci denim. I'm on dress to boost momentum. I play opposite. It's on fine, I had to get her. Let me see my head. Fanning on me, body rise and make it better. I'm just feeling on me. Pressure fucking tidal weather. Give me snowing. I can feel it closing in. Cause I'm way too high off these tens. Grab another load again. I keep trapping peace till I win. Let her roll with this, let her roll with me. For me.
I wish I could go hit downtown, but it's too far, bro. I don't feel like dealing with traffic right now, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Standing up, I'm on the seat. Bitch, on my eyes, Venus. All these niggas is my son, like different fiends. In the game, ain't on the bitch, just shit my creases when she see me, she gon'
Oh my god, I thought that was a cop. I was shitting bricks for a second. I was like, fuck. I guess I wasn't speeding, but... Man, I wish I was recording, man. I had a guy who pull me. He asked if I wanted to race his 07 GT. I didn't get to ask him any questions because the light turned green, but I think basically what I've done is headers, mid-pipe exhaust, cold air intake, and suspension. That's all I have. So I told him it'd be close. I didn't get to like tell him, like he was like, oh, like you can outrun an 07 GT. I was like GT, and he's like, yeah, and I was like, maybe it'd be close because they have like 300 horsepower like stock. But I think they have more torque than mine, so I think he'd probably have me in a dig. I don't know about a roll though. My car's lighter. That'd be a fun race though. Having we're racing a 07 GT. I wonder. I've always like wondered like how my car would hold up against an older GT. I know I could beat a 2-valve because I've raced a couple of those, but I don't know about a 3-valve. 3-valve would be cool. It would be close. I always think that's a real person right there. Well, there's a Mustang up there. I think it's a GT up there. I'm gonna try to catch up to him. It's an EcoBoost. It's an EcoBoost. Maybe it's a 3.7. I just don't like convertibles. I don't know how y'all feel about convertibles, but I do not like convertibles. I just think they look ugly. Oh, this guy's gonna pull up here and say something because I cut him off for sure. Oh, never mind. We're good. It's kind of a clean TO. Still recording. It's kind of a clean TO. I like those wheels. I've always wanted to race one of these. Oh, that engine does not sound good. Oh, pops are tough.